Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi, so about to do the do. Girl, how y'all doing? Is y'all alright over there in y'all neck of the woods? Child, we all gotta be careful nowadays, okay? I don't know why when I do my voiceovers, I sound like I'm from down south or something, but child, SOCKS, okay? We gonna do the do and stay blessed. Listen, the hair is by Love Me, okay? And I love me some hair from this company. And, you know, I'm sitting here and I'm curling the hair. And afterwards, I was like, why didn't you just spritz it down with water, put some mousse, and keep it moving? You see what I'm saying? Like, why are you doing all of this? Like, this is unnecessary. Anyways, it still took a curl and it still came out really, really beautiful, okay? I just wanted, like, you know what I mean, like, to play with it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I never leave it exactly how it is, but this is one of those units that you really ain't gotta do nothing to it. Just put some water on it. It's a great everyday unit. As you can tell, it is short. I have come to the conclusion that I believe long hair suits me better. I don't know, just a thought, just throwing it out there, okay? Don't, you see what I'm saying? Don't, okay? I don't know what, ooh, it's too early in the morning for me, child. Listen, we doing this voiceover because when I was filming this video, you know, these people over here was drilling like they was digging for gold, girl. I hope they share some with me when they find it. I don't know. Camera. In and out of focus. I ain't even noticed that. Ooh, I know you lying. Ooh, look at me just curling the little ends over. Precision. Okay, listen. Yeah, girl. So I'ma just go ahead and let y'all watch this clip, and then we gonna come on back and do the do whoop de whoop shippity boop boop boop. Listen, this is gonna be a short and sweet video. We're gonna take it back old school YouTube style. You see what I'm saying? Cause it's a lot juggling these social media platforms, child. I need help. I need me to editor. I need something. I need somebody to help me, girl. We all need help, okay? Give the video a thumbs up if you understand when I say we all need help. Make sure you check out Love Me Hair. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead, play some music right here, and make y'all go ahead and watch me style this unit now. All right? I'm gonna see y'all in a minute.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. place. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Let me love you. Let me love you. Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh. You got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting.
All right, now so let's zoom in because we finna get within. We jumping right in. We ain't dillying and we ain't dallying. This look gonna be short and sweet and nice and petite. Okay, listen. So I was gonna say something. I don't remember. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know whenever I sit here and do these voiceovers, it's not scripted, okay? I'm just talking and, you know, sharing my thoughts with y'all and stuff like that. I've been thinking about the UK, you know. Do I want to move to the UK? I feel like I would have a lot more opportunities if I did move to the UK, but at the same time, I don't know, like, girl, it's just a lot, okay? Because I've been over here for so long, like, you just don't pick up and leave like that, you know what I'm saying? But I was asking myself, why don't you want to move to the UK? You can go and live freely, you know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't got to worry about no papers or nothing because you already considered British, okay? So, like, why wouldn't you go? You know what I mean? It's just a thought. Don't pay me no mind, okay? Ooh, child. Listen, you're gonna notice for the rest of this video, like, I didn't put on my lashes until the end, and that's because I'm actually doing a promo shoot for JUVIA'S place because they recently came out with their own lashes. So I'm saving it to the end, basically, because I'm gonna be trying on like 3 lashes, so it doesn't make sense for me to put on lashes now and then have to take them off and then use something like do that clip. And in order to do that clip, like, the face has to be fully beat, so you're gonna have to bear with me looking all bald without lashes. Like, lashes make a difference, y'all, okay? Anyways, I love the lashes that they sent me the whole entire collection. They are absolutely beautiful. There are lashes in there for the daytime. They have in between lashes, like, you can wear it both day and night, and they have lashes that are strictly for the nighttime, like full on glam, whoop de whoop shoo boop boop boop, you know what I'm saying? So that's the reason we ain't put on no lashes yet, girl. Okay, and all the stuff that I'm using today is by JUVIA'S place, as you can already tell. I don't know, there's something in me, like, whenever I'm doing something for them, I use all of their products. It's not intentional, like, it's just, that's how my brain works. I don't know. Girl, what is wrong with Chloe? Why Chloe crying? Why is Chloe worried about you? Listen, didn't Chloe take quiet as it's kept, girl? Let's talk a little something. Didn't Chloe take that man when he from another woman and she was pregnant at the time? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Come on now. Am I lying? Am I lying? Now, why did that jump into this conversation? Girl, I gotta talk about it. I guess because I was watching the them people on Hulu. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, no, you lying. Didn't you take that man from that girl? They were supposed to even, I believe they was engaged to get married. Left her high and dry, pregnant. The girl, what's her name? I think her name is also Jordan, if I'm not mistaken. Am I lying? Come on now. What? Huh? I know you. Ooh, these people. Ooh, child. Anyways, you see how quick this video is going. I absolutely love how everything came out. Okay, I'm gonna look at, ooh, giving y'all a close-up of the lips and stuff like that. Okay, yes, whoop-de-whoop, shibby-boop. You see what I'm saying? Changing it up. You see what I'm saying? Doing it for the do. You see what I'm saying? Listen, I'm gonna go ahead and jump out of here because, as you can tell, I ain't got nothing to talk to y'all about. Okay, listen, I love y'all, and until the next video, I will talk to y'all real soon. Listen, be safe and take care of yourselves out there. Okay, we're living in some wild times. Be safe out there, y'all. All right, talk to y'all real soon.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.